Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You know that I am on a mission to improve my speaking English. For that, today I am come bank of the Burigonga River. This place is very busy. Also, here are a lot of people come for enjoying their pleasure. Right now, I am here. I am standing here in this place, Old Dhaka. Over there is Karanigans. From Karanigans, a lot of people come for doing their work. I also here take pleasure. I have friends with me, Mr. Ekramul Haq, who is coming with me. I am really proud of him. He always support me to do something better. Also, he always inspire me. It is holiday. You know that holiday is special for every person. After doing all kinds of work, when you will get a day for taking pleasure, it will be very better for you. It is for me very special. Every holiday I try to do something better. You know that when we come with nature, we feel very fresh, and our mind also feel very good. After refreshing our mind, we can continue our journey. We can continue our study properly. We can continue lot of things. Actually, a lot of benefits of refreshing you. Okay, thank you everybody being part of my journey. Thank you everybody.